Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reply to a specific message on Instagram. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application, and then at the top right you need to click on the chats icon. After that you need to open any chat you want. For example, I will open this one chat. And then if you want to reply to a specific message, there are two ways how to do that. So the first way is to tap on any message you want. It can be a photo, it can be a message, it can be a reels. So you need to tap on this message and then swipe it to the right. As you can see, there is a little reply button pops up, and then you will see this interface replying to this person and reel or message, and you can type something, for example, or you can click on the cross button to delete this replying. So the second way how you can reply to a specific message is to press and hold on any message you want, like this, and then you will see three options: reply, forward, and delete. For you need to click on the first one option, reply, and then you will see this replying to this person interface again. So actually you can type here whatever you want. So and that's all, and that's how to reply to a specific message on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.